Hey guys, this is Stephen Hengster's Hot Rods, and what we have for you today is a beautiful 86 Monte Carlo SS here before us in the silver metallic paint. What we're going to do is go over this, we'll go around the whole car, and we'll start here at the front. One thing you will notice right off the bat, this has a 2-inch Cowl induction hood that is a fiberglass hood. Beautiful, really sets this car off. I love the look of it. We'll start here with the paint. Paint is beautiful. The paint on this car is in amazing condition. It's just a beautiful car. Does have the Monte Carlo SS striping the whole way around. We'll go over that. And as you can see, we have the US mags, aluminum wheels with the black and the polished lip. Coming back here, of course, our hood gaps to the fender, very nice. Our gaps from the fender to the door are very nice. You can see everything lines up right on the money there. Dual sport mirrors, both sides here. Our trim, our windshield trim, window trim is all blacked out on this car. Everything is blacked out. Of course, with the black door handles as well. You'll definitely notice our glass. It's very nice condition, no cracks, chips anywhere on that. Tinted, gives it a nice look, really sets the car off having the windows tinted like that. And that is the sides here and the quarter glass as well. What we're going to do is we'll open up the door here and let you see inside the interior. Door jambs are very, very nice on this car. Interior is beautiful. You got the gray interior, automatic 4-shifter. It does have the JVC CD player, Monte Carlo SS steering wheel. It is power windows and power locks. Cruise control, air conditioning, in beautiful condition. Moving on here, one thing I do want to mention here, we do have the SS Monte Carlo decals here on the door, and that is on both sides. Coming back, our door to core panel, as you can see, gaps are very nice and everything lines up right on the money there. Continuing back, our paint, again, all over the car is beautiful here, and that's a common theme on this car. Gaps here with the trunk and quarter panel, very nice. And you see we do have the Monte Carlo SS trunk mounted rear wing as well. Coming back here, our tail lights, we'll start with those. Both sides, very nice shape, nice and red there, no cracks or chips or aging on those. What we're going to do is open up the trunk here so you can see inside there, see the floor and so on. What we have here, it's got the spare tire jack. Inside here, you can see the floor is beautiful in this car. Very, very nice shape, very nice condition. You got all your stampings there and so on. Great shape here, and that of course is what you want to see. Underneath the trunk, very nice shape here. Our jambs are beautiful. Our weather stripping is very nice here, and no rust or anything in our jambs. Moving on here. Our back bumper here, fascia, very nice condition. Our trunk gaps to our quarter panel passenger side now, also very nice. And again, as I keep mentioning, the paint on this car is beautiful, as you can see, just shiny and glossy as that is. And again, windows tinted on this side as well. And the glass is also in very nice condition. What we're going to do here is we're going to open up the passenger side now so you can see the passenger side interior. Again, very nice condition. Dash, very nice, no cracks or chunks out of the dash there, no aging. It's just beautiful in there. Coming around, continuing on to our passenger fender here. Again, the gaps and everything lines up with the door very nicely, and we do have our SS striping continuing in decal on this side as well. Coming up around our front fascia, as you can see, beautiful shape. Usually you see chips and so on this, not really much on this here. Overall, it's pretty nice, and our grille and lower valence, everything's pretty nice on the front of here. What we're going to do is we're going to pop this hood so you can see the engine. This hood does indeed use the rear hinges and the front latching mechanism. and does have a prop rod. We're going to go over the engine here. This is the 305, numbers matching high output engine for this vehicle. There has been some things change. Obviously you see the black Chevrolet valve covers matching with the black engine air cleaner there. This one here does have the 4-barrel carburetor on it. It does have air conditioning. Very nice condition under here. It's got power steering, power brakes. Pretty much everything else is stock. Stock aluminum intake. Very beautiful car here. This is a great example of a Monte SS. If you're looking for one of these, this is a very fine example. What we'll do now is lift it up, let you see the undercarriage. Hey guys, we got our 86 Monte Carlo SS up in the air, and of course we'll go over the undercarriage, give you a look under here like we usually do. We'll start in the front here. Suspension here, all stock control arms, front rear sway bars on here. Greasables, tie rod ends definitely look like they've been taken care of. Grease there. Cross member here looks very nice. I don't see any cracks or anything on that. Of course, it is our 305 HO V8 here. We have our oil pan, rear seal, transmission pan. All look very good. I don't see leaks on there, which of course is what we want. Coming back to our output seal, our trans, nothing there, also very dry, of course is also what we want. Drive shaft here, balanced. Exhaust system, we have a cat back dual exhaust, which is what these came with. This one, although has Flowmaster exhaust on it, Flowmaster mufflers, I should say, correct myself, Flowmaster mufflers on it. It does have the dual exhaust. It goes up over the axle, back to the bumper there. This one has chrome tips installed on it. You can see our e-brake cables coming back here. Very nice, coming right back to the brakes. Everything is hooked up there. Our flooring on this car looks very nice, very well taken care of. You can see it's got all the stampings on here. Floor looks very nice. Of course, our cross member here also onto our frame section looks very nice there. Anything else here? We're coming back to the back. Of course, the Flowmaster mufflers. Coming back to the differential, we got the rear seal here. Everything looks good. I don't see any leaks here at the differential or the rear cover or the front seal. Of course, here's our rear sway bar. It's got the stock links back here. It does have new shocks on it. 10-bolt rear. Tank here, the straps for our gas tank looks very nice. The mounting points are very good. Again, the floor up here above the axle looks really nice. Coming back to our dual exhaust come out, as I said. Everything back here behind the tank. Again, the strap mounting points look good back there as well. We do have aluminum aftermarket wheels on here with Mastercraft tires, and they all look very nice tread on them. Overall, it's a very nice car, very nice, very well taken care of, I should say. Everything looks pretty good under here. What we're going to do is drop it down, start the engine so you can hear that.